Hello students, in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, let's solve exercise 11.1 in this video. First problem, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equal to 24 cm, BC equal to 7 cm, determine sin A, sin C, cos C. So one triangle is given which is right angled at B. So at B your angle is 90 degree. Okay, and once you know one side, the rest all you can write, right? Okay, so you can write here as A and here as C. So AB is going to be 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out sin A. First what we have to determine, we have to find out sin A. Okay, in the angle A we have to find out sin A. So what is sine formula? Sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So hypotenuse, that is AC, is unknown for us. We don't know. In the question it is not given. So how to find out? We have to use the Pythagoras theorem to find out. So these are the given data. So ABC is the triangle, right angled at B, and right angled at B means that B is 90 degree. Then AB equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Now, in order to find out the hypotenuse length, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. In a right angle triangle, the squares of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. Actually, in your problem, it is not necessary to write full statement of the theorem and all, but since this is the first problem, I have written. Okay, so what the Pythagorean theorem says? So it is the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the other two sides, its squares. Okay, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB? It is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. So substitute those values. So 24 square is 576 and 7 square is 49. So adding these together you will get 625. So we want AC. So we should take the square root of 625. So square root of 625 is 25. So the length of AC is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now we got the hypotenuse also. Now we can substitute in the sine formula. So sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so sine is the ratio of opposite side to the hypotenuse. So that's why when you write it in the fraction form, it is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite is 7 centimeter. Okay, and hypotenuse just now we found out it is 25 centimeter. So you can't solve anymore. 7 by 25. That with that itself, let's stop this. Then cos A. So what is cos formula? It is adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, so adjacent is 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So 24 by 25 is the cos A value. Now we have to find out sin C. Okay, one more angle C which is on top. For that we have to find out now. So when you want to find out sin C, your opposite side will be AB. Okay, so opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So opposite AB value is 24 by and hypotenuse 25. So 24 by 25. Then cos C. Cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent for cos C is BC. So it is 7 by 25. That's the answer. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. So this is the given figure. In this, P is here and R is here. So you have to find out tan of P and cot of R. Then you have to put those values here and you have to find out the answer. Okay. So two side length is given. Okay. PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. This one more side, QR side, we don't know what is its length. So that we have to find out first. Okay. So we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So PR square, that is your hypotenuse. PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. So it is 13 square is equal to QR square plus 12 square. So what is 13 square? 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. Now we want QR. So bring 144 to the other side of equal to. So you will get 169 minus 144. So QR square is 25. Okay, we want QR. So take root for 25. So root of 25 is 5. Okay, so QR length is 5 centimeter. Now we can find out this one, that is tan P. So what is tan formula? For tan P, it is opposite by adjacent. Okay, so for P, opposite side is QR. Okay, here is P. For this angle, what is opposite side? QR is the opposite. And what is adjacent? Adjacent side will be this PQ. Okay, so we have to find out QR by PQ. That is 5 by 12. Okay, that's a answer for tan P. Then cot R. So what is cot formula? Adjacent by opposite. So now we have to find out for R. For angle R, what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is QR and opposite side is PQ. Okay, so it will be 5 divided by 12. So now we got the tan P and cot R. So substitute in the given problem. So you will get 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So that is equal to 0. Okay, that's the answer. Then third problem, if sin A equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, so sin A is given as 3 by 4. We have to find out cos A and tan A. Okay, let us assume a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay, since it is A is some sin value is given. So obviously at angle A you don't have the right angle. So take C as right angle. Okay, so I have taken like this. So what will be A? So A is here. When sin A is 3 by 4, that means what is sine formula? Sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so AC is going to be 4. So that's why in the diagram I have written 4. So AC, that is hypotenuse, is going to be equal to 4. And opposite side of A is BC. So BC is going to be 3. Okay, from the question, from given, since sin A equal to 3 by 4, we have found out what is hypotenuse length and what is the opposite of A length. Okay, now with that, we have to find out one more side. We have to find out its length. So again we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So it is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So substitute the values, and which is unknown, that you keep it as such, that is AB square. So bring everything to one side of equal to, and if you solve it, you will get AB square is equal to 7. Okay, so AB is root of 7. So root of 7, we can't, 7 is not a perfect square, so you can't get any integer number. So you have to leave it as such. Then we have to use the cos formula. So we have to find out cos A, no? So cos formula is adjacent by opposite. Okay, so now substitute the values. So cos A equal to, that is adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So if you substitute, you will get root 7 by 4. Then tan A we have to find out. Tan formula is opposite by adjacent. For A, which is opposite side? Opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is, opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. So substitute those length, that is 3 by root 7. That is the answer. Fourth problem, given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. So it is given. What is given? It is 15 cot A equal to 8. Okay, so with this we have to find out. So let us assume a right angle triangle ABC at right angled at B. Then given is 15 cot A equal to 8. So this can be written as cot A equal to 8 by 15. So the 15 which is here can be brought to the other side of equal to in division. Okay, then only we'll get this ratio 8 is to 15, 8 by 15. Okay, and what is cot formula? Formula is adjacent by opposite. Okay, so you will get the AB by BC. Okay, so AB by BC equal to 8 by 15. So the length of the sides AB and BC is now we found out by the given value itself we found out. So AB is going to be 8 and BC is going to be 15. Now with the Pythagoras theorem we can find out the unknown side length. Okay, the length of the unknown side we can find it out. So that hypotenuse is unknown. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So A is 8 no. So 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225. Okay, then add everything together. So you will get 289. That is AC square. So if we want AC, we have to take the root. Root of 289 is equal to 17. Okay, so AC is 17 centimeter. Now we have to find out the value for sine A. Sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite that is BC. So BC length is 15. Okay, and hypotenuse AC is 17. So substitute those values. Okay, so I got sine A equal to 15 by 17. Then secant A. Secant formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, so what is secant actually? It is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so cos formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. When you take reciprocal of it, it is hypotenuse by adjacent. So you can keep it in either way, which is easy for you to keep it in your mind. In that way you keep it in your mind. So secant is hypotenuse by adjacent. So here my hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB. Okay, AC length is 17 and AB length is 8. So I got 17 by 8 as secant A. Okay. The next problem, given secant theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So one it is given. Okay, so we can draw the diagram by ourselves by keeping the theta at A. Okay, so same way we will keep it. So what is secant formula? It is hypotenuse by adjacent. So 13 by 12. So hypotenuse will be 13 and adjacent will be 12. So unknown side we have to use the Pythagoras theorem to find it out. So I found out BC equal to 5. Okay, so substitute in the formula. In the AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, same way only. So we found out BC equal to 5. Now you have to substitute the corresponding values in all other trigonometric ratios. That is, you have to find out sine theta, cos theta, everything you have to find it out. Okay, sine theta equal to BC by AC. Okay, that is opposite by adjacent. Sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. So 5 by 13 I got. Then sine is over. Now cos theta equal to adjacent by opposite. So that is AB by AC. Okay, so that is 12 by 3. Then tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So theta is here, opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. Okay, BC by AB, that is 5 by 12. Then cosecant or hypotenuse by opposite, that is AC by BC. So 13 by 5. Then secant we already got in the question itself. So cot theta adjacent by opposite, that is AB by BC, equal to 12 by 5. Okay, that's the answer. With this, I'll wind up this video. I'll continue the same exercise in my next video. Thank you, children.